Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm just going to show you how I create the ombre effect with this closure. So the first thing that I do is I smooth out the closure, and then I go ahead and mix my bleach with the volume 30 developer. I use small portions of the developer, then that's to contain the consistency of the mixture because I want it to be thick versus runny. I then go ahead and I apply, I'm just using the spoon there for a bit, but I'm using the application brush, and I apply it from the tips all the way up to what should be the root, and that's a pattern that I do for the back and the front. At the top I go in a jagged motion, and that's so it's not one straight line across as an ombre, it looks more natural this way. I then go ahead and turn it over and proceed the same procedure for the back. I'm just going to run the comb through it, and that is to get the bleach between the areas that's between the back and the front of it. You will realize that some of the mixture is going to be left on the comb, but don't be startled. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the application brush and wipe it off from the comb and then reapply it to the hair. I then went ahead to use a butter brush. This is a butter knife. It's a plastic knife to bleach the knots of the closure, and it's the same procedure. I cover all the areas, you don't, but this is just personal preference. I seal it off in the plastic bag. You don't have to, but I do anyways. I then wash out the hair. Once it reaches to the color or shade of lightness you want, you can go ahead to wash it out. I don't know how long I left it for. I was just watching it. Ensure that all the mixture comes from the lace. That's important because you don't want to get any irritation on your scalp. I went ahead to use the liquid dye method, and that is applying the dye directly in boiling or hot water, and I mix it out and then I apply the hair because it's pretty much the quickest method and it's less mess. I put as much of the hair as I could down in the dye, and then I just use a paper clip to hold it in place so the volume, because the bleach was applied and I did not want the roots to be burgundy as well, because I wanted to match a 530, which I already have. Then I went ahead and I conditioned the hair, and this is just to help it smooth and not to be harsh because of the bleach which I just used in it. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing much left to do, and you will see the end product in a few seconds. Bye guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.